Good morning guys, welcome back to another video. You are watching Wolf on Street and I am Somi. So as you can see, today is a lovely day. The monsoon has hit Kolkata and today I am going to make my first travel video. Right now it's 11:50 a.m. and from here we are going to go Botir Bill. It's a destination near Barakpur and around 50 kilometers from Kolkata. From my location, I live near Tollygunge and here is the destination for the day. We are planning to go there and have some cinematic shoot and also a serene boat ride over there. Let's see if we can make up to there. The roads are bad due to monsoon and it's a desperate attempt to actually enjoy monsoon being in Kolkata and not getting jealous from those of in Pune and Mumbai. And our kit is ready, backpack is ready, our travel is ready, and here is Shubham, our travel sponsor of the day. So let's hit the road and we will meet you up ahead in the road. Till then you guys enjoy the cinematics. Bye. Hello guys, so we are right now at Deor Pole. It's a area around 20 minutes from the Botir Bill. So we have done almost 70% of our journey and also the weather is clear right now. See, sun is rising and the weather is clear. From that side we came, that is Kolkata, and that side is Botir Bill. We are going to go. We have taken a small pit stop is in this sweet shop. We bought a Sprite and like taking some rest. So we are going to reach within 20 to 30 minutes in our destination. Till then enjoy some more cinematics and then we will vlog through the actual destination. Yeah, enjoy. So guys, we have almost reached the destination. We have like the essence of rural Bengal over here. Lush greeneries, small houses, free from pollution. This is what we travelers live for, to enjoy and explore rural part of the country. It actually feels to be out of this like concrete jungle and like feel something new. This road straight leads to our destination. Botir Bill is around 1.5 kilometers from this from area. So we are going to reach there by 10 minutes. That is the GPS estimation, but if we might reach in 1 minute. Say hi. Don't kill us. You guys should visit if you are like wanting to have some experience in rural parts of the India. This is not far. It's 50 kilometers from Kolkata and easily accessible through roads in all seasons. Like today in the morning it was raining, but right now the weather is clear, but it wasn't problem in any part of the road. Roads were clean, no waterlogged. Even in the village section there wasn't any kind of problem. So just come here and enjoy. We are going to show you Chalao, chalao, chalao. And guys, we are finally here. Damn, this land is open. Really open. Right now, maybe I have 2 or 3 kilometers of visibility. Even in this foggy weather. Sheet road continues. Can't help with this. Has to visit the place, right? Shaky road. And hardworking people. Having a two-wheeler is the best option to come here, or else you have to walk around 10 kilometers from the main road. Or I guess Totos come, but chance is very less. And right now, see the road. We have to like go through this one. I don't know how it's going to happen. उतर जाऊं?
ना उतर जा भाई.
I am on foot. Or you won't be able to cross this part. Hello guys, we are finally here and we have already indulged ourselves in the like most important activity in here. It's the boat ride over this place. Just have a look. And he's going to make the tour for us today. Show him. Say something.
क्या बोले भाई, इतना अच्छा वेदर है, इतना अच्छा एरिया है.
This place is damn serene. And the weather is good.
এদিকে 7 কিলোমিটার, এদিকে 7 কিলোমিটার বিলির এরিয়া. আচ্ছা, টোটাল এরিয়াটা
14 kilometer radius.
Diameter.
Perimeter.
Diameter.
Yeah, 14 kilometer of total perimeter. Perimeter नहीं. So Boaterville is kindly famous among photographers, and since lockdown it has become more famous. We know like there isn't much place to go due to restrictions and RT-PCR, all this problem. So like photographers have tried to concentrate it in the localated areas near Kolkata, and this place has gone quite famous among some of others in last 1 year. This place is basically a farming of flowers done here. Check out, these flowers are farmed over here, and right now it has become a centric destination for photography and shoot. You can come here and take some quality pictures and also take this boat ride. It's around 150 rupees per person. Just look at this weather, guys. So serene and calm. And behind me, Shubham is trying to take some street photographs. He's also trying to open a page, I guess. Yeah, learning and growing. Chill out. Damn, guys, it's really beautiful. Just look at the sky. The clouds are looking like steps, I guess. depth is not bad. And here's a fellow cameraman over here. These flowers are nice. Done with the boat ride. Now we are like we're gonna walk through the trail and take some good pictures for my Instagram. If you want to check those pictures, don't forget to follow on my Instagram. Ja bhai, go. This trail is really bad, but you can click certain good pictures over here. See, trail above looks really good. And there is a large swarm of photographers. Supposedly they have come around 40 people together just to shoot here. You can understand how much this place is famous among photographers. This place is nice, worth it, worth the 50-kilometer drive over a weekend to visit here. And here goes our travel sponsor back to home. अब पैदल ही जाना पड़ेगा घर लगता है. So guys, we are done for the day. That's the end of our vlog. We are gonna head out back to Kolkata. It's around 4 PM right now, so we will reach in around 3 hours after that. Till then, if you like this vlog, don't forget to like and share. Also subscribe my YouTube channel. I am going to get back in travel vlogging by August. Let me know how was my first travel vlog. Till then, see ya.